Let me show you how to scrape any website you want for free. You'll need this app called Panda Extract. You download the Chrome extension and you're good to go. Now to use it, to actually scrape any website and any data you want, you just go to any website you want to scrape. For example, let's say LinkedIn. We want to scrape people who have interacted with some sort of a post. Here's my ICP engaging with a post about a cold email. So let me select this and we'll see all of those leads listed right here, as you can see. So to scrape them, we simply turn on the Panda Extract Chrome extension. We click Start List Extraction. We select what data we want to extract. Is it all of this? Is it just the name, right? We select this. We get the sample data. As you can see, we have all of this information. We have LinkedIn URL, which we'll need. We don't need this. We don't really need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. You clean it up. We have the name. That's literally all I need. Click Run Automation. It will scrape all of those people, right? It's scrolling for me. I'm not doing anything. It's scraping. Those are 100 people, right? Yeah, okay, turns out it wasn't 100, it's 49, but here we have it. You click Export, copy to clipboard, you open any CSV sheet, you paste it, and there you have it, right? We have all the data you would ever need about the lead. All of this stuff, right? You can use it to personalize your messages with AI. Here we have their name, here we have their LinkedIn profile, as you can see here. We have even their images that we can use to personalize even further. We have their LinkedIn profiles that we can use to actually enrich and find the emails of, right? And that's it. This way you scrape any website. You simply, like I said, select the part, for example, product hunt, right? You simply select which part you want to scrape of any list, right? And that's it. You run the automation. And another beautiful part about it is what you can do is actually scrape certain information from different pages. So for example, instead of extracting list, you go extract details. You click Start New Extraction. Here you will paste a lot of URLs, right? Or add a CSV. For example, here we go. We have 291 URLs. We click Done. We add elements by going to the website. We select what we want to scrape. Let's say visit website, because this is actually their URL, the URL of their website. Complete selection. And now we can click Done. And now we can start extracting this data from all of these 921 URLs automatically without me doing anything. See, delay before extract, max wait time, basically how long it will wait for the page to load if need be. If you're on Pro, you can use parallel tabs, meaning there will be more tabs running at once. You click Start Extraction and look, it's loading up there and it's extracting the data. It should pop up in any second now. Like, see, that's it. That's it. I'm not doing anything. Now, if you want to actually use this data to send out cold emails, I suggest you take a look at the tutorial or video I made here, and have a good one, and peace.